Hello and welcome to ANDAcademy's YouTube channel. Today, we learn how to use AI in Photoshop. For more design-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to request any particular videos or tutorials, just comment below. Alright, let's get started. I wanted to design my pet Cookie's birthday invitation card, and I thought, why not use Photoshop AI to create something fun? Step 1. I have got this cute picture of my pet sitting on the sofa. Firstly, we'll need to remove the background. So for that, I'll head over to the Layers panel and make a copy of Cookie's image. Just right-click on it and select Duplicate Layer option. This way, we keep the original image safe. Now I'm going to hide the original layer and right-click on the copied layer and choose Rasterize Layer to get it ready for editing. Now, head to the Properties panel, open the Quick Actions drop-down and click on Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically create a selection around him. It's a good start, but I'm not completely happy with it. So I'll select Quick Selection tool from the toolbar to refine it. I'm going to select the unselected area. You can adjust the brush size as needed for better accuracy. Next, switch to Marquee tool, right-click and choose Layer via Copy. This will create a new layer with just the selection. Don't forget to hide the copied layer to keep things tidy. I'm going to reduce the size of my pet now using the Transform tool and place him in the corner. Step 2. To make the background more fun and aesthetic, I'm going to add a few elements like balloons, confetti, colorful hearts, and maybe a few other party-themed bits to match the vibe. To start, I'll use the Marquee tool to make a selection. I'm selecting the top area where I want to place a disco ball. Then, right-click and choose Generative Fill. Add in your prompt, and in a couple of seconds, you'll see the generated elements. I'm going to go with this one. And now I'm going to simply duplicate this layer and make another copy to add to the other corner of my canvas. Similarly, I'm going to generate other elements and make duplicate layers for placing them on the canvas. Make sure to write your prompts clearly, mention the style you want, the color scheme, and any specific elements you're looking for. Just a heads up, AI-generated results can vary, so what you might get might look a little different from mine. I'm not going to worry about the placement right now since I'll do the final arrangements in the next few minutes. Select all the layers and drag it to the folders icon. This will automatically create a group. Make sure to add Cookie's layer to the top again for neatness. Step 3. Let's move on to the background. I'm going to start by picking a background color. I'm thinking of going with blue. Head over to your Tools panel, select the Bucket tool, and click on your canvas. I also want to add a bit of texture. Go to Filter, then choose Filter Gallery. Under the Texture drop-down, select Texturizer. I'm setting the texture to Sandstone, Scale 90, Relief 5 and Light Top. You will notice that the elements I have generated have a white background behind them. So to get rid of that, simply select all the layers, right-click and select Rasterize layer. Now head to the Tools menu and select Magic Eraser tool. With your specific layer selected already, just click on the element on the canvas and that's it. Follow similar steps to remove the background from the other elements. I'm going to repeat these steps to remove the background from other elements. I had left out the hearts earlier since you will notice the cutout is not coming out properly. So I'll follow a simple method by going to Quick Actions and choosing Select Subject. Then choose the Marquee tool from the toolbar and select Inverse. I'm just going to make a few more adjustments. I'm also going to add a birthday cap and a bow. To place the bow, I'll use the lasso tool to draw a selection around Cookie's neck, then enter my prompt. I'm just going to make a few more adjustments in the color of the background. Step 4. Now that the visuals are ready, I'm going to add the birthday invitation text. I have added some fonts using DA font. If you'd like to learn how to add custom fonts in Adobe Photoshop, check out our video linked in the description below. And that's it, our adorable birthday invite card is ready. Watch this space for many more quick and super useful techniques of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ANDAcademy's YouTube channel for more design related content. See you soon, happy designing!